Hey guys, Loki is sliding to the front door because he's so excited to get this next delivery. So let's get this package inside and opened up. Inside this box is something the pups both asked for. It's the APetsPlanet Deluxe Dog Bed for their Backseat extender, and clearly they're ready to get it opened up. This custom-fit backseat extender from APetsPlanet is thick and super soft. It also features an anti-slip bottom so it won't move around. The bed is machine washable and super plush. And it must be comfy because Dolly and Loki were both ready to check it out. Don't they look comfortable on the bed? And they look super happy to have it for their next big road trip to Trail Hero at the end of the month. So let's roll this thing up and get it set up in the Jeep. Bam! Now just roll it out and it's all set up. And it looks great too. The anti-slip works great, and you can see just how much cushion this really adds. Alright, let's go grab Dolly and Loki and see what they think. First in is Dolly, and then the Lokester. And they seem super happy already, and with plenty of room to move around. So let's take a quick drive and see how they like it. It's big smiles all around and a nice comfy place to lie down. If you want to grab a super comfortable bed for all of your pups' adventures, check out APetsPlanet.com or click on the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.